How to deposit on Aufin.biz, how to start your investment on Aufin.biz. Now, before I go to that, I just want to tell you that Aufin.biz is legit. I have tried it out on my second account and it's very legit. I can tell you, I assure you, it's legit. Aufin.biz is a investment platform where you can earn up to 0.21% every hours on your investment. That is, you can earn up to $5 per day on your investment based on the plan you go for. You can also make up to 9% on your investment. So Aufin.biz is legit, guys. If you are looking for a lucrative and good investment platform, I suggest you to go for Aufin.biz. If you want to go for Aufin.biz, you can use the link on the description of this video to create your account on Aufin.biz. To withdraw on Aufin.biz is so simple. Within because I use USDT Tron to withdraw, within 5 seconds my money arrive on my wallet immediately. It arrive, and if you are deposit, it take nothing less than 1 minute. Your money will arrive. So how to invest on Aufin how to invest on Aufin.ng. To invest on Aufin.ng, after you have created your account, after you have created your Aufin.biz account, now click on new deposit. If you don't have any money on your account already, just click on new deposit. Let me just show you everything. Now here is the plan. Aufin.biz have three plan: the standard plan, the intermediate plan, and the premium plan. On the standard plan, you can earn on your investment, you will be earning 0.21% on your investment hourly for 720 hours. You can do it for 20 hours, you can leave for 20 hours, yes, or you can withdraw your money at any time. On the intermediate, you will be earning 0.29%. I hope you know how to calculate this per day. On the premium, you can earn 0.38% hourly on your investment. But on the standard, the minimum you can start with is $20 to $999. On the intermediate, the minimum you can start with is $1,000 and the maximum is $4,999. The percentage per hour on your investment is 0.29. On the premium, the minimum you can deposit, you can start with is $5,000 and the maximum is $500,000. So let me do the calculation for you for per day. Let me do the calculation. Let me show you how the percentage you will be earning per day on your investment on any amount you deposit. So let me go to my calculator. Now I'm on my calculator now. So for instance, the standard plan is 0.21%. So per hour, that means we have 24 hours in a day. So times it by 24. After you tax it by 24, you will know that you have 5%. That means you will be earning 5.04% on your investment per day on the standard plan. So on the intermediate plan, let me show you how much you will be making on the intermediate plan. The intermediate plan is 0.29%. So let me show you. That means you will be earning 6.96% per day on your investment. While on the premium plan, the premium plan is 0.38%. As you can see, you will be earning 9.12% per day on your investment. For instance, let me say you deposit up to $5,000. Let's say $5,000 times 9.12%. Sorry. Divided by 100. That means per day on your premium, you will be making $456 per day per 24 hours. In 24 hours, you will be making $456. That is cool. So guys, that is the calculation. You can do it more on your investment on concerning the money you have with you. So for instance, let me say I'm going for intermediate now. So I will select the plan, click on select. Now I've selected intermediate. So let me say I want to put in $4,000. So the next step is to enter the amount you want to deposit, $4,000. I want to use USDT. I don't want to use Tron. I can use Tron, I can use any other this thing, but because USDT charges fee is so low, so I will use the Tether USDT. I click on it, then click on submit. Now after you click on submit, they will take you to this place to confirm your payment. Click on submit again. You click on submit again. You check everything, read the important notice up here, double check, select payment system on Aufin.biz and the payment system you are sending fund from your wallet. Do not send interchange cross network. Confirm everything before sending your deposit fund. So make sure you confirm everything. If you select Tron, please don't send USDT into it, or don't send BTC into the address given to you. Make sure you send to the network you select. As you can see, I select USDT Tron Tether TRC20. So I'm going to send USDT Tron USDT. So click on submit. Initial. Now this is it. So the next step is to copy the address here. Copy it. Then go to either your Binance wallet or your Trust wallet, any other place where your coin is. Then transfer the amount into it. Just transfer the same amount, the 4,000 USDT. Transfer it to your wallet. When you transfer it, immediately it will appear here. So immediately as it appears, your investment will start counting. On the platform. You can withdraw at any time you like. You can withdraw your investment at any time you like. So guys, this is how to invest on Aufin.biz. And again, I would like you to check their roadmap. Their roadmap is so cool. You can check it. You can pause the video, check their roadmap on the app. Check it. Register. The registration link is in this video description. Check their roadmap. Their roadmap is so cool. They have vision. They have vision, and I trust this platform. I trust it. They are also issuing tokens soon. They will issue their own tokens soon, so that they can use it to improve the platform, so that everything can be going fine. Everything can be going fine on the platform. So guys, this is how to deposit on Aufin.biz. That is how to deposit on Aufin.biz. To tell you, to be sincere, Aufin.biz is legit. It's legit. I've tried it out. It's legit. It's legit. Guys, if you want to make cool money, I advise you to start quickly. Start quickly. Fast. Start quickly. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click on that subscribing button, and don't forget to click on the like button. Click on the like button, comment and subscribe if this is your first time on this channel, so that anytime I drop another video such like this, or more than like this, or any airdrop that I found, you will see the notification on your phone. You can check through my channel here. You will see if you haven't joined Super S Exchange. I advise you to do that now. Join Super S to get your own airdrop. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you next on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.